sturdy, or this also makes it It's amazing, just look at this. Loads of bubbles sitting there on top of it. Not pretty. Okay, so this goes there. And now this is a bath or shower scrub. And I'll tell you what's fabulous about it. First of all, you've got the advantage. This is going to clear because the bubbles. And then when it clears, you can see your seaweed very nicely, you see. So the advantage is that you've got a loofah that's permanently being soaked. Okay, so if you're in the shower or in the bath, this is a very nice Father's Day left on. Out it comes, washy, put it back. So it's always there. And this soap gel starts absorbing up into here. It'll start kind of floating on like this. It kind of looks a bit like seaweed. And then when that happens, it makes this all more juicy and soapy and rich and everything, okay? So we're just going to wait for this to clear. And what I did with the ones in the newsletter is that I put mermaids on. But the mermaids are sold out. So we've got to do merfrogs now. Yeah. Well, you know, maybe they're frogs there in the sea. They aren't frogs in the sea. Oh. This is an underpond scrub. And you know what? Just a couple of stickers makes a bit of a difference, you know? Just makes it a little bit pretty. Okay, I'm going to do it on the side where we can see the seaweed. Putting on a couple of wild frogs, diving and doing things. Doing froggy things as they do. Cute. And then we just put the lid on. We'll wait for air bubbles to come out and then we'll put a lid on. I'm thinking this could do with a little bit more cloud, only because then we can get these bubbles to come up. Let's do that. It's a different color, but you know what, hey? This is past all redemption, so we're not too worried about that. Playing in the kitchen, you see. Playing in the kitchen, when you make mistakes, often you invent something rather fabulous by accident. And in this particular case, I didn't. Sometimes you do, and sometimes you don't. Sometimes your failures are just failures, and sometimes they're inventions. Okay, by doing this, I'm just pushing those air bubbles to come to the top so that they'll come out faster. Okay, and then we'll see what happens there. Not too bad, it's not looking too bad now that it's kind of clearing. Okay, so. Here's my thing. Okay, where are we up to? We've done bubble dough. We've done a soap cloud and a soap cloud knot. We've done some bath confetti. We could do those. Let's see. Let's do bath salts because they're really easy and I'm a bit traumatized. So, okay, you know what? Bath salts are seriously easy. Like when somebody's looking for something to do at a kid's birthday party, I suggest bath. But why we're going to do it now is just because I want to show you for Mother's Day how fab it is to do them in a grinder. By the way, you know, I found stunning. You know, like the grinder's this big at Woolworths the other day. Beautiful shape, everything. Filled with, of course, one with sea salt and the other filled with Madagascar and red black peppercorns. This big, $29.95. Welcome. Woolworths. Maybe can't be right. So I had to go and ask this is this price right? But serious, like a little box like this, 340 rand. Well, I don't know if it's got maybe diamonds inside or something.
Yeah.
You know.
Yes.
So that's why I'm thinking they made a mistake on those grinders.
Yes.
Almost such a good price that one can go and empty it out, or
Yes.
empty it out, colour it in fragrance, and sell it as bath salts.
Yes.
I'm thinking. Okay, so let's just do bath salts just for fun because it's easy and it's nice. And salt is very good in the water, you know. It's a muscle relaxant, it's an antiseptic, it's fabulous stuff. Put in enough and you'll float, you know. Totally bad. Okay, so how do you make bath salts like this? You don't have to like put it all in one packet and then put it in the other packet. That's just going to put too much, right? So, we have a little bit of bath salts there. And then, we need a little bit of colouring in each one. And this time, we're going to see if the grapefruit and the salts explode. Because a little bit of colouring, that's too much, and a little bit of colouring. No, the yellow isn't the same, so it's not as scary, this one. It's really not. I mean, it's still scary, but it's not as. Okay? And in bath salts, we can actually use a fair amount of fragrance. No? We're using pink grapefruit. Well, it smells very good, the pink grapefruit and tangerine. It's just scary, that's all. Okay? Pink grapefruit, we'll do it in the orange. So far, no explosions, but you never know. Tangerine. Oh, it smells good. Right. And now, shaky, shaky. Bath salts made. Okay, and line up here. See, I told you this yellow is the best scary. Right. Tangerine and grapefruit bath salts in a grinder. What do you do with my grinders?
Next to the cellulose?
Right. What's good about bath salts? It just smells good, hey? Have a whiff. Just smell that. Can you? Woo! That is good. What's good about bath salts in a grinder? Probably nothing except for pretty. Well, it's just, you know, a novelty kind of. It's fun. We do this like Mother's Day, what I do at the shop. Make up big bowls of bath salts, put them outside, and have empty grinders there. Tell people that for whatever, 10 or 15 rand, they can fill the grinder with bath salts for Mother's Day. Because basically they're paying for the grinder. Oh, I think I should do it like in a civilized fashion. Yeah. Okay, no spoon, so we have to do it like